Okay, good morning all of you. Okay, today from same unit equals. Now today I am going to explain you about concept of balance payment. In this video I am going to explain about concept of balance payment. Now when you talk about balance of payment means easily either record of total receipt and total payment from foreign countries, because every country at present they are connected with international trade. They also does export and import. So when they does export and imports means what is the total amount of money they receive from foreign country and what is the total amount of money they pay to the foreign country. So their record that is kept is known as what? Balance of payment. And it is very important at present the balance of payment should be known, because it helps to count the country's GDP also, GNP also. So balance of payment very important factors to know the national income of the nation also. Now there are actually two types of balance of payments. So favorable balance of payments and unfavorable balance of payment. Now when the word favorable balance of payment means is a types of balance of payments where the total receipt from foreign country exceeds total payment to the foreign countries. So here what means there is extra benefit for the nations. A surplus benefit for the nations and good for the nations, because the receipt from foreign country is greater than payment, so it's good. And unfavorable balance of payment. Now next, unfavorable balance of payment is the types of balance of payment where the payment to the foreign country access to the receipt from the foreign country. Here what means the more money goes to foreign country than it comes from a foreign country, so it's unfavorable for the nation. This type of condition brings economic recessions. This type of condition brings unsupportable economic growth. Economy of the nation becomes declined. So it's not good for the nations. So usually what means countries should focus on this favorable balance of payment. Now whatever balance of payment is usually what means same as that international trade or same as that balance trade. Here also when you talk about balance of payment means usually what means those goods which are visibles, which are tangibles, which can be weighted, which can be seen, which can be touched. If those goods are traded from one nation to another nations, and the amount of money that is received from those trading activities or from those international trade, that payment or receipt which the country received, that is kept record. And after that, the total amount of money or receipt that is found out, that can be taken as what? Balance of payment. So here are some features also, balance of payments. Now, it is a systematic record of all the economic transactions between one country and the rest of the world. It includes all the transactions, visible and invisible. It is annual statement. It adopts the double book keeping system. In the accounting sense, total credit and total debit is the balance of statement always balanced. So these are some features of this balance of payment. So today in this video I will explain you about what concept of balance payments and types of balance of payments and some features I have told you. So this is for today. Thank you all of you.